Hi friends, welcome to my channel. This is Shivani here. Today I am showing you how to create this very beautiful quilled multi-folded birthday card with very easy procedure. So all the quilling flowers, leaves are handmade and you can just open the card like this. So you will get your first fold and two flaps. After opening, you will get one pocket inside this where you can add any tags, photographs, journals, anything. And when you will open this flap, you will get one beautiful pop-up flower surprise. Isn't it very nice idea? So there are lots of spaces to add photos and messages. So let's get started. For this we need some multicolored 3mm quilling strips, liquid glue, scissor, quilling tool, ruler, pencil, pink color satin ribbon, white color sheet, pink color sheet, some pattern papers and half cut pearls. First I am taking these two white color sheet which is having 250 GSM thickness and this measures 13 by 13 centimeters. And this strip measures 0.5 by 13 centimeters. So I will just arrange these pieces like this. And to join all together, I am taking this thin 100 GSM white paper strip which measures 3 by 13 centimeters. So now I am just joining all three pieces together with the help of this white strip. Just burnishing it very well using my bone folder. So the first fold is ready and it will look like this. Now I am taking two more white color cardstock sheets. These two strips measures 6.5 by 13 centimeters. Two strips will work like a gate, like this. Now to join this I am taking 2 by 13 centimeter paper strip. This will work like a connector. You just need to fold the strip from the center, chop the corners and the connector is ready. So now I am attaching these two doors with the help of these connectors. So this is also done. Burnish it very well using bone folder. Now I am taking my third flap. This measures 12.5 by 12.5 centimeters and I am taking one more 2 by 12.5 centimeter connector and connecting this last flap. like this. So the base for multi-fold card is ready. Now I'm taking these two pieces of satin ribbon and connecting this with the card so that we can easily close our card. Like this. Now I'm decorating it using some pattern papers. Now inside this I am adding this pocket which measures 6 by 12.5 centimeters, and this is again same white cardstock. I have already connected the connectors, so I am attaching the pocket with the center flap. Burnish it again, and now I am connecting the pattern paper. So the decoration for the multifold card is ready. I am adding these two tags inside the pocket. You can also add any photograph on these tags. So this is done. Now I am taking this 15 by 15 centimeter pink color 100 GSM paper, and here I am creating 8 petal flower using this. So just follow the instructions. This is very easy to create. Now I am just trimming each petal little bit towards the center and shaping it like a petal. So now it's looking like a flower. Again fold it like we did before. I'm just distressing the edge of flower using some yellow color. You can also color the outer layer using colored sketch pens. So you can use yellow color sketch pen as well. And creating some center part of the flower using black markers. Now take back your card and connect this pop-up flower card inside this. So this is done, isn't it very beautiful? Now I am creating some quilling flowers for the outer decoration. For the first petal I am taking half strip of pink color and making one teardrop shape. I have already created one more teardrop. Now I am taking 1/4 strip of yellow color and making one tight coil. For all the quilling decoration I am using 3 mm strips and my one strip length is 45 centimeters. Now I am joining all shapes together. Now wrap this whole petal using yellow color strip. In the same way we need total 7 petals. So now I am combining all the petals together and making the flower. For the center of the flower I am using half cut pearl. So first flower is ready. Now I am starting with this tiny blue flower. For this I am taking one strip of blue color and making one teardrop shape. Join all 4 petals and add half cut pearl in the center. So this is done. Now I am starting with this pink flower. For this I am taking half strip of pink color and making one leaf teardrop shape. For this first you need to create a teardrop and then pinch slightly on the top. Now join all 7 petals and add center half cut pearl. So this is also done. Now I will show you some leaves. For this I am taking half strip of light green color and making one leaf shape. And also for these dark green color leaves I am taking dark green color strip, making total 5 loops in increasing order. Then create 2 more loops on left and right sides. Create 2 more loops on left and right side in little decreasing order and wrap this whole petal using remaining strip. So this leaf is also ready. Also I have created some scrolls using same green colors. If you want to learn scrolls, I have given link in description box. So all the shapes are ready. Now I am connecting one piece of pink color paper first. Here I am decorating the outer part of the card. Now I am taking this happy day pre-cut ready-made sentiment which I got from my paper pack and adding this punched border. Cut excess border. And now I will decorate it using my quilling designs. Now I am adding this die cut out flower in one corner just to fill this empty gap. This punched heart. And some half cut pearl in upper corner. So the beautiful quilled multi-fold birthday card is ready. Isn't it very nice idea to gift your loved ones? You can add lots of photographs, add many messages, sentiments, journals, anything inside this. I'm sure you will try this card very soon. So my project is done for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos and don't forget to click on bell icon for the latest updates and notifications. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.